Hi, I'm Bob Kramer and I'm here to give you some tips on knife sharpening. A question I get quite often is, how do I know when to steel my knife or when to stone my knife? I always go back to the paper. This is just a great tool for determining how sharp your knife is. So the first thing, the most difficult test that I try is the push cut. Clearly this knife will not push cut. So the next test is the sliding cut. Will it slide cut? It won't. So what's happening with this, the edge of this knife, it could be completely dull or I might have a rolled edge. So now I'll check it with my thumb. As soon as I put my thumb on the edge of this knife, I can tell it's rolled. So clearly it's a choice to steel first. Check and see if it's straight. Then I can go back to the paper. It won't push cut, but it'll slide cut. So that's an incident where the steel really gave me what I needed. If I want to get it screaming sharp or push cut sharp, I'll go back to the stones and back to the strops.